Hello guys, look what I have found here on TikTok. Yes, napaka-cute niya at napaka-simple lang ng packaging. At nai-excite akong ipakita ito sa inyo. Look at that. Pwede na siyang pang-camping, mountaineering, repair, night fishing, night riding, and kung gusto mo lang mag-explore, ay okay din siya kasi madali lang siyang mabibit-bit. And look at that. May charging port na din siya. Tapos, pwede siyang chargeable. Yes, chargeable na siya. I am so happy to find this product here on TikTok. So if you're interested, you can check on my showcase or on my yellow basket. Bye-bye!